Ang mga inaasahang darating na Nighthawk helicopters ng hukbong panghimpapawid ng Pilipinas na inangkat ng Department of National Defense na kabilang sa AFP Modernization Program ay malaking tulong sa mga isinasakatuparang programa ng pamahalaan. Ang Internal Peace Security Plan na pinasimula ng nagdirektorong AFP Chief of Staff General Ricardo David na ngayon ay minana ng bagong hepe ng Estado Mayor ng AFP, Lieutenant General Eduardo Oban Jr. Ayon sa opisyal na tagapagsalita ng hukbong panghimpapawid ng Pilipinas, Lieutenant Colonel Miguel Ernesto Ocol, ang mga air assets na ito ay malaking bagay sa mga ground troops na nagsasagawa ng mga civil military operations.
Combat utility helicopters natin ay parating na. This has already been finalized. The deal has been, shall we say, in its final stages. So definitely the the 8 combat utility helicopters will arrive within the year. We expect that perhaps in the fourth quarter of this year. No?
Samantala, ang nalalibang 4 sa 18 training plane na binili ay nakatagdaring dumating, ayon kay Colonel Ocol.
So I believe the last 4, we're just waiting for the last 4, and that would be most likely next month. So we will again invite you for that momentous occasion para ma-witness natin yung arrival ng last 4 of the 18 brand new basic trainers.
Dagdag pa ni Ocol na ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, partikular sa Air Force, ay handa na sa modernisasyon.
As far as where your Air Force is concerned, we're really into preparing for modernization, because I believe this is something that everybody understands and everybody clamors for, not only for the Air Force but for the Armed Forces.
Ang opisyal na tagapagsalita ng Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant Colonel Miguel Ernesto Ocol, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DZRH Nationwide.